Hi everyone, welcome back to Gillian's Art Flow. Thank you for joining me. If you're new, welcome to the Gillian Art Flow family. Right, I have a disclaimer before we go any further. Be warned, the video is crap. Half the canvas was out of shot. Honestly, I don't know what I was thinking. It certainly wouldn't get a BAFTA. However, the painting at the end might well get a merit in the beginners category at the Tate Gallery. I'll let you decide. Oh, before I go, can I just say thank you to my 40 subscribers. I never thought I would make 10, let alone 40. Thank you so much, each and every one of you. And I look forward to 40 more joining us. Yay! As you can see, I'm using a pre-used canvas. I probably didn't like it or something at the end. I've got a base of DecoArt Pewter. The other paints that I use, they're a mix of paints. They're leftover paints from the leftover paints from my previous video. I believe there's bright yellow green, there's DecoArt, I think there's latte and chocolate, or is it cappuccino and chocolate? It's one of those, you know, a skinny latte mochaccino, what's it thing, with some chocolate in it, and I think that was about, no, there was like an glorious gold in there. No, there wasn't I don't know. Do you know what? I really can't remember. This is going to be one of those paintings where it's just, I don't know,